Hello everyone, make a ponytail and secure your hair in this manner. Let's see what further are we going to do. Just make your hair look bouncy. Isn't it pretty amazing? Now again twist your hair back and forth in this manner to get a beautiful lovely bow in the middle, and with the extra hair left behind roll them up and tie them in from the middle, and with the help of clutches secure them. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Now what are we going to do? This is with the help of ribbon. Let's see what amazing things are we gonna do. With the help of ribbon, you have to make some beautiful patterns in this way. Zigzag your hair and let's see what lovely result are we going to get. Pretty amazing, right? Keep on making these patterns in the middle and you will end up getting a lovely pattern. Isn't it pretty amazing? Let's see what further hairstyles are we gonna create. Round and round. Give your hair a beautiful round look like this. Proceeding further, take the partitions in the hair like this, roll it, and let's see what are we going to get. Keep on making these patterns by taking partitions like this, and in the end you will get a beautiful pattern and you will be amazed to see your hair. Isn't it pretty amazing? These hairstyles are really lovely. Thank you so much.